Hey everyone, today I'm going to draw a cherry juice with whipping cream on it. So let's get started. Okay, let's start from its container. Obviously it's the main part. So let's start from here and make a curve like that. And continue from here. And we're gonna stop here because I just wanted to make like a drip of those like cream on top. So I'm gonna stop here as well because of the drip to make it look more realistic. Yeah, like that. And we're going to come down. And we are going to continue this area. Okay, and also from this side. Yeah, like that. Now let's make the actual container. So we're going to start from here. And curve from the bottom and curve again, and we're going to start up from here. We're going to come down yeah, that's our actual container. Now let's make the liquid inside it. So it's a clear container. Now we're making the liquid. And curve, follow the shape of the container. And we're going to start from there and come down. There we go. And let's make the top. So the top covers it. We're gonna stop here because this strip is like the big one. So that's why. And we don't want to ruin our drip coming down. It will actually look so cute. Okay, now let's make eyes. So let's make 2 big circles. One over here and one over there. Yes, like that. And now let's make like a design like the eyes have sometimes. I don't know where I saw these, but like that. And also over here. There we go. It looks like the eyes are closed, but we will figure that out because we're making a bigger circle and a smaller circle. Same with the second eye, a bigger circle and a smaller circle. Cute. Now let's color in. Okay guys, so I colored in the eyes. It looks much better than before. Okay, now let's make eyelashes because I want to make her a girl. But boys also do have eyelashes. Yeah, like that. And also on the second one. 4 eyelashes. Pretty. And preppy. Okay, now let's make a smile. Like she is acting she's so cool. Cute. Okay, now let's make eyebrows. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, second eye. Yeah, like that. Okay, now let's make the, whipped cream on top. Okay, so we're gonna make these, circle things for making it look realistic. We're gonna leave the space because I want to make a cherry on top. So let's continue from there. Okay, that much space and continue. Small one and a big one. Yes. Okay, now let's make more of these, like to make it look more realistic. Those whipping cream lines. There we go. And now let's make the cherry that I was thinking about. So, circle and this line and the stick. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, and we're gonna connect it so it's like perfect. Okay, so that's that. Now let's make some, cherry, like, those small things that are left when it's blended. So we're gonna make that. Small circles. Everywhere. Or here and over there. Don't even leave a spot. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, that's enough. And now we're missing one thing. The drips that I was talking about. Okay, the drips start from there. Then like that. Okay, yeah, that's okay. That's cute. Okay, and the bigger drip from here. And like that. Oh, that looks so realistic. I really like it. Do you guys like it? Tell me in the comments. Okay, now let's make a straw. Obviously, we need a straw to drink it. So let's make a straw. So we're gonna start from here. Like, you can also make the straw on this side if you want to. But I'm making it on this side. Okay, now we're gonna curve down. And we're gonna start from here to connect it to the other side. Okay, now let's make some designs on the straw to make it look realistic. Okay everyone, my drawing is completed, and if you want me to make any drawings, please tell me in the comments below. Thank you so much.